Take a look at this figure 23-12. And again, we're dealing with special appliance loads in accordance with 220.14a, load number 3, and it includes cooking equipment and other loads. Now notice it's very important that you take the two largest loads, left-hand side of the illustration at the top, 10 kW and 8 kW, totaling 18 kVA when you convert it over from kW to kVA. Now, we have 4 pieces of cooking equipment, 2 microwaves, 2 kettles, 3 fryers, 2 streamers, 3 boilers, and a total load of 82 kW. Now, to apply the demand factor, step 1, 220.56 refers us to table 220.56, and based upon 16 pieces of equipment, we get a 65% demand. And basically what this section is saying, you will never use more than 65% of that load at any one time because of the type of equipment and when you use such equipment and so forth. Now step 2, we're going to apply our table 220.56 where we obtain the 65% demand based upon 16 pieces. And again, remember, demand is less than 1. Diversity is more than 1. So we take the 82 kW times 65%, we come up with a total connected load of demand of 53.3 kVA. And then notice in the solution, the solution points out that 53.3 kVA is greater than 18 kVA listed at the left top hand side of the illustration. So that's what this figure 23-12 is illustrating, when you would have a demand factor based upon the type of special appliance loads that you would have in the restaurant, say in the kitchen area, or even maybe a cafeteria. And that's what this figure 23-12 is illustrating to the user of the NEC.